everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Sunday reset, Sunday cleaning motivation video. So get up and do what you got to do before this new week starts. I'm so happy to be a motivation for you today. As you can see, we started off the day with feeding some ducks, walking the dog, and just enjoying some great sunshine, getting that good vitamin D in. I also am going to start today with making some French toast. I'm going to get tidy up my son's room. I'm going to wash some dishes, do anything else around the house that I need to do before a new week begins, because it's so important to just get everything just right and tight for the new week so that you can think straight, breathe great, and just be prepared for a new week, okay? Because I need to be prepared because your girl just got a new job. So yes, this is definitely necessary. So before we get into this video, if you love my vibe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, because interaction does help with my video. Thank you so much for those who have been loyal to my channel. Now let's get into this video and I'll meet you at the end for a little bit of words of encouragement and a little update. You don't want to miss it. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way? I'ma go home, type up my thoughts, print it out, color, don't slip, dancing in your socks. When you read it, let me know if I'm enough. I keep on spitting facts, and you know that I don't bluff. Chase you, I cannot fly. I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days?
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. That you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I hope you're having an amazing, blessed day. I'm having an amazing day today because God woke me up. He put breath in my body. My family is still alive and breathing. it's just, I'm free. I just feel good, y'all. And you should feel grateful. You should feel good too, because you have another day on this earth. I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. I don't normally post on a Sunday. As you know, my new schedule is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I just had to come on here and talk to you guys. This week has been overwhelming. I did not post this week because I just felt like y'all didn't want to see me clean this 2-bedroom apartment over and over again. I don't have the fanciest cleaning gadgets. I don't have the fanciest cleaning products. My apartment is not all that decorated because, you know, a house is in the works. Yes, this is not our final destination. This 2-bedroom apartment, not our final destination. God willing, we will have a house soon, and I want to take you guys on that journey to look for the house, to decorate the house. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Yeah, I didn't post because I was like, I don't think they want to see me clean this apartment. I didn't think they wanted to see me clean this apartment over and over again. So I was like, I just don't know what to post. Like, I don't want to just put up anything, you know what I'm saying? Also, I didn't post because I just got a work from home job and I had to hurry up and hustle up a headset and a computer real quick. And y'all, trust me, when I want something, I get it. I had to hustle up a headset. So I got this for $21 at Office Depot. And I got this laptop, this cute little laptop. It was on offer up for $99, but I actually got it for $75. Thank you, God. So yeah, I had to hustle up that stuff, y'all, because I'm supposed to be starting this Wednesday coming up, my new work from home job. So pray for me, y'all. So like I said, I didn't think y'all wanted to see me clean this apartment over and over again, so I didn't post anything. I just didn't know what to post. And I'm sorry about that because I'm trying to be consistent. It just seems like on my channel, the cleaning videos get the most views. It's not about views for me. It's about who I can bring encouragement to, who I can make smile, who I can, you know, motivate, who I can bring value to. I would like to make this a full-time job. I would like to grow. I would like to be an influencer. I would like to do like promotions and things like that, or be sponsored. So I would like to do stuff like that. But you have to grow. You have to get your name out there. I'm just trying to figure out, like, if there's anything that I can do on this channel that'll help me grow more, people would enjoy. I know y'all don't know me yet. I wouldn't mind doing a day in the life. Like, if you want to see a day in the life, a Q&A, you want to see cook with me, you want to see clean decor, like, what do you want to do? Because I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna start working from home, so I should have a little extra money to just do random DIYs or more cool cook with me or different cleaning motivations. Just, you know, let me know below what you would like to see on this channel, what you like about me, because I don't know, does it get boring watching me clean this apartment over and over again? But yeah, guys, and I also wanted to let you guys know, for all my new subscribers, I am on a TTC journey for number 2. I do already have a soon-to-be 4-year-old in about a week or so, but we are on a journey for number 2. I'm trying to figure out how I can incorporate those videos in with this channel, because I don't know if the people that want to see the cleaning motivation videos, if they want to see the TTC journey too. Yeah, I'm like, how can I go about this with taking you guys on a TTC journey, but also you watching my cleaning motivation videos? I just don't know how that's gonna play out, but I would like to take you on that journey. But I'm so excited that everything's falling into place. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. I just want to be a lot of fresh new content, and even at the end of my videos when I'm talking, I would like to have a beautiful background that makes y'all feel positive. So I'm taking this channel seriously. I'm gonna be consistent. This is the last week that I have any excuse not to post. This is the first week I've never not posted, and this will be the last week that I never not post, because I'm gonna post. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna be more active, and I'm gonna start. I was nervous, but I'm gonna start going live on this channel. I'm gonna start going live. Okay, I want to interact with y'all more. I want to get to know y'all more, and I would just love to get to the point where I could just be able to vlog like what's her name, Kiara's life, not Kiara's life, but what's her name, the life of Kiara. I don't know. I would like to be able to vlog like the life of Kiara and vlog like Latoya forever, but I know my life has to be, you know, interesting. I have to do something that somebody would want to see. I would like to do stuff like that, but I know that takes time for you guys. I want to get to, you know, see that from me. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know below if you get bored with seeing that. Just give me some feedback below, please. It'll be gladly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was motivating for you to get up and just get things done before your week starts. And if you love my vibe, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.